Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, your go-to source for all things Apple and beyond. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most highly anticipated releases of 2024, the iPad Mini 7. Slated for an October 2024 launch, this compact powerhouse is ready to shake up the tablet world. With sleek design updates, performance upgrades, and plenty of new features, the iPad Mini 7 could be the best in the mini lineup yet. The iPad Mini 7's slim bezels bring a modern flair to the classic compact design. Despite the upgrades, the device remains as light and portable as ever, ensuring you can take it on the go without any added bulk. At 2240 by 1888 pixels, the iPad Mini 7's display makes images pop with rich, accurate colors. The A17 Bionic brings unmatched performance to the iPad Mini 7. With faster CPU and GPU cores, this chip takes multitasking to new heights. You can effortlessly switch between apps, edit high-resolution video, and enjoy immersive gaming experiences without any lag. Tasks like image processing, voice recognition, and predictive text have been optimized, making the device smarter and more responsive. With the A17 Bionic, users can expect up to 40% faster CPU performance and a 50% faster GPU, compared to the iPad Mini 6. This speed allows for smoother multitasking, faster load times, and a better overall user experience. Whether you're editing 4K videos, creating digital art, or playing the most graphic-intensive games, it also supports AI-enhanced apps, allowing you to harness the power of machine learning for tasks like photo editing and voice commands. The iPad Mini 7 fixes that. This time, Apple offers storage options starting from 128 gigabytes, with choices extending up to a whopping 512 gigabytes. Moving on to the camera system, the iPad Mini 7 has received a substantial upgrade. Apple has integrated a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front-facing camera, which includes center stage technology. This feature keeps you perfectly framed during video calls, even when you move around. It's a game-changer for video conferencing, content creators, or anyone who frequently uses FaceTime or Zoom. Apple is clearly positioning the iPad Mini 7 as a gaming tablet, and it shows. The A17 chip combined with ProMotion technology makes gaming buttery smooth. Battery life is always a critical feature for users who need their tablet to last all day, and Apple hasn't cut any corners with the iPad Mini 7. Thanks to its energy-efficient A17 Bionic chip, this device offers up to 12 hours of battery life, even with heavy usage. That's all for today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech. Don't forget to leave a comment below. What feature of the iPad Mini 7 are you most excited about?